Hey everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2018 GMC Yukon Denali. So we have your headlights, running lights, and fog lights. You have your front park assist sensors, and then under the hood you'll find a 6.2 liter V8 engine. Coming around to the side, it's currently sitting on 20-inch rims. We have your side step. And then on the mirror, we have your indicator as well as your blind spot monitoring. Then we have keyless proximity entry. You have some storage in the door. You have your memory seating off to the side. Then you have your exterior mirrors, windows, and locks. And then off to the side, we have your adjusters. We have leather seating throughout with a power adjustable seat. We have your sunroof up top. And then opening up the back door, we have some storage in your door, your window, cup holder, storage behind the seating. And this is your second row seat here. And then in the center there, you have your controls for your temperature as well as heated seats for the rear. It's really easy. There's just an automated button to fold down to give you quick, easy access to the third row. So there's lots of room for passengers and or cargo. And then we'll come around to the rear. We have your rear park assist sensors. And then your backup camera. You do have a power lift gate, so you just press on the button and it will lift up for you. And then here is the back seating area. You do have some storage underneath, so anything you put in there will be nice and hidden. And then off to the side you have your buttons for the seats. So if you press on it, it will fold down. It is a 40-60 split, so you can do both sides or just one side, just with a touch of a button, which is nice if you have your hands full. You don't have to really worry about it. And then here is the other side, same thing. And then to close the power lift gate, there's just a button up top. And then taking a look at the back, we have your storage in your door, your window, cup holder. This is your other section here. And then up top you do have a entertainment system. Great for long road trips. Same with this one. This one has the button just beside it to fold down. You can also fold it up as well. Like I said, easy access to the back. You can do this on both sides. Then the passenger side, you have that storage in your door, your window and locks, your power adjustable seat, and then the glove compartment. I'm gonna grab the key to show you the rest inside. Alright, so here is the key. We have our unlock, lock, remote start, our panic button, and our power lift gate. It is just a push start. And then on our steering wheel we have our mounting controls. So we have our voice recognition. This allows us to scroll through our dash, which I'll go over in a second. We have our cruise control options, your heated steering wheel, front collision warning. Then you have your wipers and your adjuster for your gear. So this allows us to go through our dash. So we have trip A, trip B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, our average fuel economy, timer, speed limit, trailer brake, your all-wheel drive system, your engine hours, and then your speedometer. So there's only 8,678 kilometers on this, so there's plenty of life left. If you want to make sure that you're fully covered, do speak to your financial advisor about purchasing any extended warranties. Then we have your touchscreen display. So we have your audio, phone, projection, nav, settings, video, your phone. You have your traffic and apps. You can turn it off or on down below. We have your radio, home, menu, and then we have your climate controls. So we have dual climate controls. And then off to the side here, we have your seat controls. So you have heated and vented seats for the driver and passenger. This folds up. You have your 12-volt DC and 2 USBs. This one also has your cup holders. You have your wireless charging station, so you can put your phone down and it'll start charging. Up top, we have your sunroof controls. And then off to the side, we have your headlamp adjuster, your 4-wheel drive adjuster, your park assist off for the front or rear. We have your blind spot monitoring for your mirror, your pedal adjuster, and then your traction control off. And this is for your projection speed. Alright, so that's my video on this 2018 GMC Yukon Denali. If you want to come see all these cool features for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.